Do you hate exercise? You're not lazy. You're not alone. You're just someone looking for a better, more joyful way to stay active. Your way. What if I told you that you can stay strong, mobile, and happy without going to the gym or doing boring workouts? In the next few minutes, I'll show you 10 gentle, easy ways to stay active after 60. Even if traditional exercise just isn't your thing. Good morning. It's a brand new day, full of possibility. As we grow older, our bodies naturally change. We may move a little slower. We might feel a few more aches and pains, but aging doesn't mean we stop living. And it certainly doesn't mean we stop moving. Staying active doesn't have to mean going to the gym or running marathons. It just means keeping your body gently in motion so you can feel stronger, brighter, and more you every single day. In this video, we'll explore gentle, joyful ways to stay active after 60, even if you hate exercise. Let's start with walking. Simple, peaceful, powerful. Even a short, 15-minute walk each day can improve your heart health, strengthen your muscles, and even lift your mood. You don't have to walk fast. You don't have to walk far. Just step outside or even walk around your home. Every step counts. Try walking in the morning sun or after dinner with a friend or a pet. Let your walk become a time of peace and reflection. Did you know that many of your daily activities are already helping you stay active? Cleaning, gardening, cooking, all of these movements stretch your muscles and keep your joints in motion. So next time you're doing the dishes or watering, your plants smile. You're already moving, and your body is thankful for it. Chair exercises are a wonderful option if balance is a challenge, or if you just want to feel safe while moving. Try lifting one leg at a time. Roll your shoulders back and forward. Raise your arms up, then stretch side to side. Even small movements help keep your joints flexible and blood flowing. You can do these while watching TV, listening to music, or chatting with a friend. Movement doesn't have to be boring. Put on your favorite song and dance, even if it's just swaying from side to side. Let the music move your soul. Dance alone. Dance with someone. Or just move your feet while sitting. Physical activity is important, but mental activity is just as vital. Try brain games, puzzles, word searches, or even learning something new online. When you learn, you grow. And growth at any age is a beautiful thing. If you have a pet, play with them. Even short walks or games of fetch count as movement. And if you have grandkids, well, they'll definitely keep you moving. Crawling, reaching, laughing, hugging. Those are beautiful moments of connection and motion. Try making a simple routine. It can be as easy as 5 minutes of stretching in the morning, a short walk after lunch, and a few leg lifts in the evening. No pressure, just a rhythm that feels good to you. Some days, your body may feel strong. Other days, it may need rest. That's okay. Rest is part of the journey. Honor what your body tells you. It's not about how long you move. It's about how you feel when you do. Movement can also be meditative. Tai Chi, gentle yoga, or even guided breathing exercises can relax your body and focus your mind. Let your movements be slow, purposeful, and full of grace. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up for you with love, patience, and joy, because your body, your story, your life, they are all still full of beauty. Remember, staying active after 60 isn't about pushing yourself too hard. It's about staying connected to your body, to the world around you, and to the joy of simply being alive. Move a little each day. Laugh a little each day. And most of all, love yourself a little more each day. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of thriving seniors, because your best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning. Thank you for spending this time with us. Take care and keep shining.